Have you ever looked up to a tree and wondered just how tall that tree is?
We're going to do a little demonstration to show how you can find the height of an object outside using shadows and similar triangles. The sun casts its light, causing a shadow to be cast by the object. We can measure the length of that shadow as well as measure the length of the object or the person. We can then try to find the length or the height of our object, in this case a tree, and we will be measuring its shadow and using that to calculate the height.
First, we're going to use Jesus as our reference, and we're going to measure from the ground to where the sun is hitting the edge of his head. And then from that point down below his head, we are going to measure from there to the end of the shadow and record the length of each of those distances. To find the length of the shadow made by the palm tree, we're going to measure from the center of the palm tree to the top of the shadow. Because of obstacles and the fact the shadow is longer than the tape measure, we're going to have to add multiple lengths to get the total. Mr. Hsu will now show us how to do the calculation to find the actual height of the palm tree.
So you can see we have the ratio of the height of the statue, 200 centimeters, divided by the length of its shadow, 190, is equal to the ratio of the height of the tree divided by the length of its shadow. So to solve for x, we take the 1220 multiplied by the 200 and divide by the 190. And here we go. Here are my numbers. 1220 times 200 divided by 190. 1,284.21 centimeters. So we have this neat little length conversion, which I can go ahead and click on the centimeters and just plug in our 1284.21, and it will give us conversion, all different types of measurements. The one that we're probably the most interested in one is the feet, 42 feet approximately was the height of that palm tree. So there you have it. Hope you have enjoyed this and learned a little bit about how you can use shadows and similar triangles to find unknown heights.